Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel editz. Today I will tell how I make my edits. Firstly, go to the Alight Motion.
Music Live.
And then create a new project, then add a clip or photo. Like I uploaded this photo. Then I will go to my old project and then copy my text and keyboard sound. And after that I will go to that old project again and copy my quality CC and watermark. And then adjust it as the project. And now I will go to the PixArt and upload this photo. Photo and upload skull. And remove background of skull. And adjust it on the photo. And save it. And then I will go to the Alight Motion and go to that project and add that photo. and then I will go to my new Shake XML file and copy the effect. And paste it on this photo. And that's how I make my edits. Hope you like this video and tell what tutorial do you want next.